How to log in to University of Wah Avicenna. So if you want to log into your University of Wah Avicenna, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for University of Wah Avicenna login. And once you've searched, here you will have Avicenna University of Wah. Then first click on the first search, and once you click on the search, it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, here you need to first enter your username on the first blank, and once you enter your username, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, or if you forgot your password, then you can go for lost password so that you can reset or recover your password. And once you've done that, you can come back to the login page and you can again log into your account. But if you remember your password, then enter it here on the next blank, and then you need to click on remember me next time if you want to save your login information. But if you don't want to save it, then unclick it and then click on login. And once you click on login, it will log you into your Avicenna account under the University of Wah. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.